I chose Webster because it seemed like a community feels type school, and I love the professors, and they really made you feel a part of the community.
Well, the education, quality of education, yeah. I would say it's good, amazing. The class, the size of classes were not so big. We could get one-to-one attention from our professors.
I'm really happy I chose to come to Webster. It's a really good school. I've made a lot of connections here. I think it's really opened a lot of doors for me and opportunities.
Working with all of the professors has been fantastic, and with the relatively small class sizes, you tend to get a lot of time, a lot of one-on-one time with all of them.
I did have a chance to study abroad, so that was really great. Even with COVID, I had the chance to study for a week in Costa Rica, so that was really exciting. And then also just the teachers are so great. All of the faculty works really hard to make sure that we reach our goals here.
I knew that I needed to be at a school that is not only small enough and intimate enough so that I can know and build relationships with my professors, but also that me being a Black woman going to school, that I would be seen and my voice would be heard.
It's been crazy, but I really love being here. Feels like home.
When you get to the end like I did today, I feel accomplished. I feel, I'm just overjoyed right now.
I'm excited. I feel amazing. Yeah.